Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove this door panel. To do this inner cover of the side mirror must be removed. All the screws shown here. Some are located behind the cover. First remove these covers using a small flathead screwdriver. Now unscrew all the screws. All screws have now been removed. Now just remove the inner cover cap of the mirror. I know, this was a little bit too rough. And the door handle. Pull the door panel off from the bottom. Finally, disconnect the central connector and the panel is off. Reassemble everything in the reverse order and the job is done. Thanks for watching and see you next time.